Hi, we just wanted to share a short video about our ornament and Suncatcher kit. So this is a kit, it comes with enough material to make 5 separate ornaments or Suncatchers. There will be enough beading wire to use, as well as enough beads to string the crimp beads that you need, and then your large focal bead. It's pretty simple to put together. You want to start with stringing your large bead on your beading wire, and then you're going to crimp your large bead down with a crimp bead. So what you want to do is put your crimp bead over both wires. You want to thread both wires through your crimp bead, and you want your crimp bead to kind of be close to your main focal bead, but not too close that the bead doesn't hang nice. And then you can just use any household pliers that you have to smash that little bead down, and that keeps your focal bead in place and it secures your wire and you're ready to string. For beading, really just choose whatever beads you want. Have fun with it. Make a design, don't make a design, and have a good time. That's the best part. Everyone will be individualized. Each one will be something that only you have made. So go ahead and enjoy the beading portion of this video, and I'll see you back at the end. Okay, we've gotten to the end of our beading, and we are going to use a crimp bead, same as we did at the beginning, to secure a loop, which we're going to use to hang our ornament or Suncatcher. The crimp bead goes on first, and then thread your bead wire back through your crimp bead. You want to make sure that there's some space between your crimp bead and your beads so that your beads aren't too tight. You don't want them to be inflexible. You don't want them to be stiff. You want to have a nice hang to them. You want to use your pliers to smash down your crimp bead nice and tight, and you'll be good to go. Perfect for any window, rear view mirror, your favorite tree, your favorite awning, and this is yours. Have fun with it, and thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.